Welcome back. This is Thomas Triple T Tie with another new bullish crypto analysis. Let's dig in and take a look at the how the market is doing. Let's go to a different chart here. Well, what's there to say about the crypto market? It's blood red. Bitcoin is these are 24 hour. This is from Coin Market Cap. The crypto market heat map. Seems like we have all kind of definitions for heat map. Bitcoin is down 11.2. We went as low as 37 something. Everything just red. Ethereum, Binance, ADA, just red everywhere. Let's go to the stock market. It's redder than this morning. Tech sector, red, like softwares, communications, consumer cyclicals. We have a few positives here, but they're like 0.77. You got Texas Instrument here, 1.66 on a day like this. That's pretty decent. Analog devices, 1.11. Anyways, pretty much red over here. Restaurant, consumer, defensive. We get some greens over here, so that's good. But overall, tech sector, pretty red. And in the other financials too. I was reading an article on how banks are closing their retail branches at a faster rate than ever before. I used to be in the banking industry. I warned people a couple years ago, I think 3-4 years ago, that it's going to happen. And it was happening then, but the pace is going to accelerate. And as we go towards digital, it's going to even be faster. So the brick and mortar financial institution as we know it will be very different in the coming years. Hopefully crypto will replace a lot of them, so we can have banking 24/7. We can don't have to deal with all kind of ridiculous fees and all that stuff. So and not worry about customers of banks getting ripped off by their own banks. All right, let's take a look at the chart here. This is different. Okay, here we go. No, it's the same. The yellow line, this is the trading view 30-minute time frame. The yellow vertical lines are where we left off when the market opened. So let's take a look at the market. Pretty much what the heat map we saw earlier told us. It went up for a couple 30-minute periods and then just took a dive. This is the QQQ NASDAQ index with a lot of tech stocks. S&P 500 repeated same thing. I should just keep one of these and remove one of them because they literally look like mirror images of each other. But it's good to have both, I guess. Dive in here. This one, the Dow. It's I might need to move it up a little bit because it keeps going deeper. Not good. Okay, it went up just like the other two, then just dove down. Over here we have the Dixie. Dixie climbed back up. That's the U.S. dollar index. It's been climbing, which has a negative correlation with the NASDAQ and the S&P 500 and Bitcoin. So this thing climbs, the other three drop, and they did. The 10-year bond yield, it's been dropping, and this doesn't have as much correlation as to Bitcoin as the dollar index. So that's basically where we are at. And let's take a look at Coinalyze charts here for the perpetual futures market. is following the spot market, trending down. We have aggregate open interest margin by backed by stable coins. That's slowly trending down. We have a little drop here, and that's probably due to the liquidation when Bitcoin, the price went up and liquidated some shorts earlier. And this line here is the aggregated open interest margin contract backed by coins like Bitcoin. Here we have this row here is the aggregate predicted funding rate, and it's positive. I think I need to move it down some more because my arrow can't even see my arrow. It's positive, and that's the predicted funding rate. And this is the real funding rate here. It's also positive and it's tapering off a little bit, but this is longs. People who are thinking the price is going to go up are paying the shorts. People who think the price is going to go down a premium to hold their position. So more than likely, price may drop, but open interest is not that high, so it's not going to influence that as much. Basically, what I'm seeing is that price is going to range. It's going to trade within a range for a bit between, let me show you here. That's not what we want. Let's get back to the heat map. Here's a heat map. Yeah, price is going to range. This is around the 20th at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's going to range around there. So we're going to see that for a bit between a low of like 37.5 to a high of roughly probably 39.5, but mostly we're going to hang around 38, mid 38, or bouncing between low 38 to upper 38s. Let's take a look at this. That's Luna. We don't want to look at Luna right now. So this is the heat map from bookmap.com. Let's go take a look at liquidation levels. Liquidation levels from this is from High Block Capital. The tool here is the liquidation levels. I guess that's what it's called. I'll leave a link for you guys at the affiliate link. Currently we have put it right here. What that means is this is the cumulative liquidation delta. We have a lot more short level liquidations than we do long level liquidations. All that means is that there's a ton of money that could get liquidated should the price move up this way. And currently the difference is $4.89 billion. Price is right here. We have another level right here that could easily get liquidated if price moves up. Let's see what that, I can't even get my mouse on there. So 38.27, that's pretty close. Like that's $55.9 million. That just tiny little orange bubble there. That one is 50x. Look at this level. 111.9 million. That's at 38.19. Yeah, that's so close. Like all these people right here will get liquidated because price is gonna go up, liquidate them. Price is gonna go down, liquidate them. And give you an example of where 39 is. 39 is right around here. So pretty easy to move price up to this level. Pretty easy to move price down to this is 38. 38's right here, right there. And it would have to drop a little bit below 38, so roughly around 30 right here. 37.7. It's been doing that. So this one is gonna get wrecked pretty soon. 47.87 million. That's gonna get wrecked. That's 100x. I don't know what these people are doing. 100x. Okay, $40.87 million. This is literally like free food. Free food. Like this is like a buffet for smart money. Just control the price on the spot market to influence the perpetual futures. make it trade in a range, and these positions keep coming in and out, as soon as they come in, move the price up to liquidate the shorts, move the price down to liquidate, and just change positions. Change positions and collect all those money. So the exchanges win. They're the house. They always win. When these people get liquidated, the exchange get to keep their quote unquote deposit on their margin accounts, and they do pay out the winners, like smart money or whoever wins on the counter side. If they're betting, let's say 100x, and they win, the exchanges would have to pay them that amount of money that they multiply by using their leverage. But that money is not from exchanges. That money is from people who are losing, and that's only a portion. The exchanges keep the rest. That's pretty much it for our midday quick update. The stock market should be closing, or if not closed already. And appreciate your time. I'm going to do a video after this for Bitcoin and see where that is heading. See you in the next video. Peace.